This is everything I put into my cucumber salad. The bell pepper that we sweat earlier. A little bit of all these spices and the amounts that you think are good. Some salt and pepper. Apple cider vinegar. Some white vinegar in smaller amounts. The only key to it is to mix together your vinegar and your yogurt and your oils all till they're blended in the bowl with the whisk. And that's it. This is only 2 cucumbers sliced in half, long ways, and then cut into pieces. This is the important part. Toasted sesame seed oil is pretty strong. You only want to use a little bit of it. Some good olive oil. A little bit of white vinegar. Smaller amount of apple cider vinegar. That's pretty strong too. You don't want to use too much. You can use yogurt. If you don't have enough, you can also use sour cream. You want to mix these together because the oil won't stay and it drains away from all the cucumber juice unless you get this kind of emulsified. Then your salt and pepper. We don't measure this stuff, we just kind of go a lot of dill weed, a lot of thyme. Oh, that's not enough. Like this. Thyme. Not too much paprika. I might be short on that. A bit of ginger. Garlic powder, just a little bit. It's pretty strong. Some minced garlic out of a jar. Bunch of oregano. Whoa, that was too much. And that should be it. I've made this before with coriander and cardamom. It tastes pretty good.